Holy crap, what is that? Oh. Really? There we go. I got something. Holy shit. I think I got a big fish. There we go.
Nice video. You got a huge one.
Ooh.
I think you got the biggest now.
That's right, baby. I'll take that dub, Drew. Look at that, baby.
That's pretty good, bro. 1 second, I'll be right there.
No, you're good.
That's a good one there.
There you go.
That's a good one. Damn.
Yeah, it's whatever. I do this on the daily.
Alright, I got another fish. Oh, look at the smaller.
There we go.
Get way smaller. Right higher up in the water.
There we go. We got something on here.
There's a good mingo up there.
Let's go.
Where we at?
About 10, 15.
Y'all are all together, right?
Yep. Let's go, Jordan. There we go. Oh my God, dude, they just keep on coming. There we go. We got a fish. Where's my man Jeff at? Jeffy! He's right there.
That's a good one.
Yeah, Brent. Oh. There you go.
Dang, bro.
Oh, hello. Okay. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Holy fuck, yeah. Holy fucking hell, dude, this is huge. We got something.
Keep reeling, bud. Don't poke on them. Just reel. You got one over there? All right. Keep reeling.
There we go.
banded rudderfish.
Fucking hell, that was hard, dude. That was hard to reel. Whew.
Keep that up, good. Leave both my paws. Keep that up higher.
There we go.
I need that line up higher.
Yeah.
I can't do nothing.
There we go. Jeez.
I got you. Keep them over the rail. Bring them on down there.
There you go.
This little itty bitty thing.
Oh, there we go. I fucking hope not. There's something on this. Woo! Oh. Oh, it's running, it's running.
Yeah, my line now.
Let's go.
Bring it in.
Woo. Let's go, baby, that's 2.
Pull it, yeah. Bring it down.
Yeah, my bad.
Nice job, nice job.
Jordan, it's a squid, dude, I'm telling you. That's what I used for both of them.